Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 15th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar. And we're starting on the 4 hour time frame. So, this morning I was talking about how this could possibly be like an ending diagonal. It definitely could be like 5 waves of A, 3 waves of B, and then like an ending diagonal wave C. What's going to tell us that is a nice big impulsive down and a break of structure. So, if we do see that, we definitely want to go back to look at the sorts. The only problem with that analysis is that the very high time frames are definitely in an uptrend. What does that mean? That means down on maybe the 1 hour time frame, you could possibly get a pullback, and then it just keeps on trending up. So unless you get that significant break of structure to the downside, which really is way down here, I definitely would still be looking at every move to the downside as nothing more than possibly a pullback within the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.